think nurses, their skills are improving, right? They are becoming more proficient, and they can pretty much give now a painless injection. Like in our hospital, the saying goes, there are so many nurses which can pretty much give a painless injection.
Yes.
So do you think that is kind of against your mission or not?
No, it's not actually. See, because we are here on a mission to make the medical processes painless for everybody. So as long as the staff is able to do that, it is a very much welcome thing. But the answer lies in your question only, wherein it is a skill-dependent process. And say a new nurse who is not very proficient also, if she can now deliver an injection in pain-free manner, then that will be welcome, because nobody has to bear the pain, right? So that is where we come in, and in order to explain little technically, right, pain is dependent on two factors. One is the psychological pain, and wherein people are anxious about the lengthy needle, which is called trypanophobia, and another is the physical prick part of the pain itself. So in our technology, since it is microneedle based, people will not be able to see the needle, so the anxiety part is removed from the system. And with respect to the physical prick part of the pain, we do not agitate lot of nerve endings, which makes it
Basically
really painless.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, makes sense.